Hi, welcome to this new video. This video will be a three-part series. I'll be talking about my new project, which is a portable smart controller device. So this device can be a replacement for your mouse, presentation clicker, remote control, Stream Deck, all in one. It has a potential to do way much more than that. So this video series will be in three parts. I will be talking about the process of building the device, programming it with various applications, and more. So in this first part, we will focus on the assembly of this device. So I will take you step by step through the process of designing the PCB, ordering it through PCBWay, the soldering of these tiny SMD components on the PCB itself. We'll also design the enclosure. So we'll look at the process of designing the enclosure, the one you see, the transparent one, and ordering that as well on PCBWay. In the second part, we will be exploring a practical application of this device. So we'll be turning it into an air mouse with 9 buttons, imagine that, among which 3 of the buttons, we're free to choose which one, will be click buttons like right, left, and middle click of the mouse. We'll use some additional button for scrolling and presses, drag and drop, all those stuffs. So that will allow us to do everything a mouse can do, and we will also configure the rest of the buttons for tasks like navigating back and forth, back and forward, adjusting volume, switching between application, and all that fancy stuff. And finally, on our third video, we'll take this device to the next level by adding a display. So there's a way to add a display to this. It supports tiny display, OLED display, I2C. We'll use that to create even better device. So the display will be showing 3x3 key icons that are assigned to each key on the keypad. That will allow us to do multiple page of menus. So each of these 9 buttons can have different functionality on different pages. So you'll see page on the display, and you can navigate through those pages, and then on each page, each of those buttons will have different functionality assigned to them. It will effectively turn this device into something like Stream Deck. So if you know Stream Deck, that's almost what we will be building. You can assign each page of menu to different applications. For example, first page, I would say, would be a media controller. So you have play, pause, next, previous, volume control, for example. All those media controls on one page, and the second page, you could have it for your OBS studio with all your shortcuts and so on. You can have any number of pages, however you want. You can configure them. We will look at all those implementation on our third video. So please stay tuned to join me in this journey. For now, we will start with our first video, where we'll be talking about designing the PCB, ordering them, getting it, soldering the components, and so on.